bahaka sen kabalay lengba ke komiti kum ka dak trong ka jeng boden pat kum ka dak trong ka pin jing pen yono yak ni long pendeng isu jong ka Jawa Meghalaya nilarai bahaka wat kabalai ka seng HMCC lengba komiti ngetur sa parlemen Pimen Jonem kum sama
March for what? March for what? March for what? We won. We won. We won. Inclusion of. Inclusion of. To resolve. To resolve. To resolve. Between. Salam Napam. Salam Napam. Salam Napam.
Number one, implementation of the Bengal Eastern Frontier Reclamation Act 1873 and the ongoing border talk between Meghalaya and Assam. The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has adopted the resolution unanimously in the floor of the House on the 27th September 2018 for inclusion of Khasi and Karo language of the two tribes from Northeast India, dominated mainly in the state of Meghalaya. The two languages are studied up to PhD level in university. The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly unanimously felt the need that the microscopic tribal people of the state need protection so that we will not be swept away by the larger community and from the influx from Bangladesh. We will not be swept away by the larger community and from the influx from Bangladesh and Myanmar, where the Ministry of Home Affairs is well aware about it. Seeing the danger, the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly adopted resolution urging the central government to implement Bengal Eastern Frontier Reclamation Act 1873 on the 19th December 2019. The people of Meghalaya supported the resolution of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly to take the decision to include in the Khasi and Karo languages to the accession to the Constitution of India and to implement the Bengal Eastern Frontier Reclamation Act 1873. The state government has sent to the central government, but till that the central government has not responded. The state government of Meghalaya has sent to the central government, but till that the central government has not responded. our coming to the national capital to hold this Dharna sit-in demonstration is to show our protest on the adamant attitude of the central government for not taking steps to include the Khasi and Garo language to the schedule of the Indian Constitution. And also, they have not shown any green signal to implement the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act. Para nung yalam, kaseng H&M CEC, kamla bersama ai kublai, ya ka Delhi Police, kabala ai permission ini, bat kumjo, kamla bersama ai kublai, ya uson kenor peniak ini jingelang, ubadairo, ex General Secretary jangka H&M, bat mental wadai, uwah hesnom, hangtai apa rilom jentia jungi, hai nartia, ai kublai, ya ki paranong elam, ki bala ai jingken, habadai, bat ka jingwan, titmek ke jungi sesimpat, hakane ka wat ka baar, ban penslow, haki skor ki bakkelut, bat ban penio snow, haki skor ki menti jongka Sarkar India.
As an official language of India, of course, will uphold the rich linguistic heritage and give it the national status it rightfully deserves, ensuring its growth and preservation for generations to come. As we have seen in the banner, that the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has adopted this resolution on the 27th of September 2018, and the same has been given to the government of India to include this Khasi and language, Khasi Garo language in the schedule of the Indian Constitution. But till now, there is no sign of that the government of India that has done anything regarding with this. Our previous leader has struggled. Our previous leader from our state has continued to put these issues in the central government, especially our beloved
Kajiwan ngajungi, hani kasih minta Bandawa, Banpano, ya kahok, long try, jangan jangan beri kusi ngajungi, ngiskem, ba, nangli kejaka, minyo usuk batiang, banyaklah aru lapor sampai gaya, cari jungi, minyo tahu usuk ajing job. Kata apa peluang ini, yang ada pi, Banwan hari kejaka meminta kalong, Bandawa, yang kita kilai kimat kijura, hakapa kejalah ibro kowe kadon kam Manado makajalah Meghalaya kalayo yala kajong kejalah mentara asal kautam trik Islam kejalah Meghalaya kalayo yala kajong kejalah Papua Hilrei ngikum kajak bin riopat ngidang lang sudah tekunta nakala beseng hari kesigi ngapelong yang ni kejiki kejiki menta bagi scam bagi ngirung itap bakali kejiki kali kesin kabar bantik cikang kali bantik niat yang kesoka tu Modi bah tadi ban perorlang no yang kita kilai tili kimat kaba ajak beri orang kam ngadu mengayo ala kajong ngejala tikumta nakala keseng ngalang balak loy ban ngalang ru balak kre ba lada ngimyo yang kita jindawa jongi ina pri susu yang jingki kibakam tinggi ini sakmat te kumta prasamla kali kali kerua ke basai sak sarkar Modi ku sarkar Modi bila yoi bila timsai pakam Meghalaya mentah hadap salpotam tik Islam Henry mentah pak jala jengi ngidalang sudah abang ipai saka LP ikan mau badai Islam ajar kendai hakaba yang dua tahun yang jalan Meghalaya lepas kedusun hakaba trik November ban implement lani balaino yang tak LP hak jala jengi bat mentang selesai mahkamah kolong setang sarkar jong Modi takumta nak yang seng takumta yang jangaru akan pajur banyak sarkar India bapidi trikamno bapidi ban aino yang kata LP yang kali kata kawat kawalam bakasti jingada namun tak keri beriu
हम लोग ये प्रोटेस्ट सेकंड बार का है। एक बार राकेश सिन्हा जी साथ में मीटिंग हुआ था, वो सब कुछ पता था क्या सिचुएशन में मेघालय। कभी कभी शोरूम भी लग जाता, ये लोग शिलोंग से मेघालय से इधर दिल्ली तक विमान करके आना पड़ता। मोदी जी, अमित शाह जी, मुर्मू जी, मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं, अगर मैं देखने नहीं जाता आपका बेटा बेटी लोग दिल्ली में बार बार आना पड़ता, क्योंकि अगर मैं हिंदी बात करूंगा ना आप लोग हंसेगा। क्यों हंसेगा? जरूर। हम लोग हिंदी इतना नहीं आता, फिर जो मन में बोलना पड़ता है। एक कहानी में बोलने महाराज सारा आर्मी लोग के सामने मेघालय में मिनिस्टर लोग MLA
H&M gelebuk kemat kolong bagindawa ya upur usam ubalasan pus nam tam hapdeng jong asam bar ke Meghalaya hadu mentang impat yo itu upur usam ubabaka kumba kolong hadu mentang tegebar kemat jingiki jongi kolong bagindawa ya KLP kenir ko bangilabu jing walas lamba Henry hadu mentang kampat urlong ya gani gamat warga sarkar jela kalau ada pride lembaga resolution lembaga rupumut MLA jongga state jongi Henry hado minta ke sarkar India kampat menterekam ni kena isu Henry kabalai kita galong don kamtam bangin wan sini galong bangin kerpat ke sarkar India makan isu no ya ketin kesi bad iya ketin kero